Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato leek soup from Ratatouille. This unique approach transforms your delicious ratatouille into a comforting, creamy soup. We'll be adding fresh leeks and potatoes to build a new flavor profile, creating a hearty and satisfying meal. It's a fantastic way to give your ratatouille a second life, offering a completely different culinary experience. Get ready to turn those vibrant vegetables into something truly special. To begin, you'll need about 2 cups of your prepared ratatouille. We'll also use 2 medium leeks, 3 large potatoes, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. First, carefully wash and thinly slice the leeks, focusing on the white and light green sections. Next, peel your potatoes and cut them into roughly 1-inch cubes. This consistent sizing ensures they cook evenly, contributing to a smooth soup texture later on. These simple preparations set the stage for our delicious transformation. Now, in a large pot, sauté your sliced leeks in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat until they become tender, which takes around 5 minutes. Then, add the diced potatoes, your 2 cups of ratatouille, and the 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for approximately 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are very tender. Finally, use an immersion blender to create a wonderfully smooth and creamy soup. For the finishing touches, stir in the 1/2 cup of heavy cream, which will add a luxurious richness and velvety texture to your soup. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's perfect for your palate. You can also add a pinch of nutmeg for an extra layer of warmth. Garnish each bowl with some fresh chopped chives or a small swirl of cream. Serve this unique and comforting potato, leek, and ratatouille soup warm, and enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.